Hi there, meteorologist Ed Valley. Quick video for you. We got a wet weekend ahead. We got rain moving up now into southeast PA, parts of Jersey and Maryland. But New England, you're in good shape. Clouds, it's interesting. You get clouds streaming in from the northwest in western New England, but there's onshore flow in eastern Mass. It's funny. This time of the year, you go up into northern New England, it's usually cloudy and murky and cool. It's the opposite. It's actually sunny and nice. It's cool, but it's nice. In northern New England today, it's actually cooler and damper. Damper? More damp in eastern New England with that onshore flow. So lots of funky stuff going on, and we got a lot of rain in the forecast. So we're going to increase clouds regardless of your current state this afternoon. And by 7 p.m., you see the rain moving into New York City. Through the evening, midnight, moving into southern New England. It's going to be a slow progression. And honestly, everything tonight and tomorrow morning is pretty meager. It's light, but it's cloudy, it's murky, it's damp. Not a nice day. Through the day Saturday, as this area low pressure gets going, additional rain becomes likely Saturday afternoon, a wet afternoon in New England and the New York City area. And overnight, Saturday night is also very wet. By Sunday morning, though, the rain is moving away, and it's still unsettled. But you're noticing along the coast, we'll see at least some breaks in the clouds Sunday afternoon. Inland, though, we're going to keep the clouds around, and even if you see a few stray showers here. So between now and Sunday evening, here's a look at rainfall. I think it's a half to an inch and a half in most areas. Some places, though, 2 to 3 inches in the most persistent banding. Not out of the question. Now, wind-wise, over the week, you notice we have some strong winds here as well. Through the weekend, strongest winds. This is, again, we like to take off about 20% because of the model doesn't handle land friction very well. So it thinks everything's smooth and wind can just be its maximum amount. But really, there's trees, there's buildings, and so forth that kind of cause these numbers you see here to be too high. But generally speaking, 20 to 40 mile an hour gusts here are pretty likely. And just a quick idea of when the heaviest will be: tonight in the mid-Atlantic, Saturday in New England. Okay. And again, these could be pretty strong, and Saturday evening could be a core of strong winds in eastern Mass once again into parts of Maine. And then things generally quiet down a little bit here for Sunday. But again, 20 to 40, few gusts even higher, certainly possible. Now, you see the euro, pretty similar, half to an inch and a half, locally 2 to 3. And as we head into next week, we are going to dry things out a little bit. A stray shower possible Monday, not a big deal. But notice progressively cooler as we head through the week. Outside of a rain or snow shower north, it's a dry week for the most part until we get to Thursday. We'll watch this thing Thursday. Right now does not look too significant. However, look at these temperatures. We're looking at 2,500 feet above our heads. So 2,500 feet above sea level. Notice, I'm going to go back. A lot of warmth through Tuesday, but watch as we get into Tuesday night. See this cool weather coming down, and it looks pretty cold most nights here, with more cold weather right into next weekend. There's going to be snowmaking that begins next week. Summit elevations probably pretty close to freezing, even during the day. At night, should get a pretty good idea as well. Now, that's just one model. The GFS is a little bit warmer, but even still, Wednesday, Thursday, decent window. However, it's warmer for the weekend. So there's still some uncertainty here, but we're seeing our first inklings of opportunity for snowmaking as this colder air continues to press on in. So a drier beginning to our week next week, but it's going to turn progressively colder and plenty of precipitation and wind to deal with this weekend. Have a great weekend, and we'll be back Sunday with another video.